Broward County Transit presents the SoFloGO App tutorial. The SoFloGO app provides a seamless public transit experience in South Florida, allowing you to plan your trips and purchase fares across 3 counties: Palm Beach, Broward, and Miami-Dade. To get started, download the SoFloGO mobile app from the App Store. Open the app to land on the home screen. A pop-up will ask you to create an account. Select Take Me There and enter your cell phone. You will receive a confirmation code via text. Enter code to set up account. Then select the menu on the upper right corner. Go to My Account to enter your name. Now your SoFloGO account is set up. Next, connect to Broward County Transit by selecting it under Available Services. If you already have a BCT account, simply log in with your credentials. If you do not have a BCT account, click Sign Up to create one. Now you are ready to begin planning your trip. There are 3 main tabs in the bottom menu: Directions, Stations, and Lines. The Directions tab is also the home screen. Use the Directions tab to plan a trip and get quick access to your favorites and recent trips. To plan your trip, type your destination in the search bar. Tap the destination once you see it on the list. The fastest routes will appear first on the search results. To plan a future trip, tap on the Depart Now tab for more options and select Set Your Departure Time. To change your travel preferences, select the filter icon. Set your preferences, including an accessibility button, to enable accessible routes. Once you're done, tap the back button to refresh your search results. Select a route for the route detail view. Tap Start to begin live navigation to your destination. Tap the arrows to view past or future steps along your route. Tap the bell icon to receive Get Off alerts. When available, real-time arrival information will show for all the stations along your route. Service alerts will also show applicable lines along your route. On the home screen, click the Stations tab to find a map of stations near you. Pinch to zoom out of the map to see more station icons. Tapping the station icon will show you lines that stop there and their next arrivals. Marking a station as a favorite will allow you to easily see all its lines and schedules. Your favorite stations will be saved under the Favorites tab in the Stations section. You can view the live location of the bus if there is real-time arrival information. It will be displayed on the map. Real-time arrivals are shown in green, while arrival times that appear in black are based on scheduled time. Click the Lines tab on the home screen to search for a specific line and get its list of stops. Favoriting a line will give you quick access to it under the Star tab and will notify you on any major changes to it. Now you are ready to plan your trip with the SoFloGO app. Thank you and enjoy the ride.